Hey everyone, today I will show you how to download and install RedNote app on your iPhone. So simply open your App Store and you go to search option, search set to RedNote. Okay, and select, click on, then download process. Okay, now successfully download. To open, click on to agree. Okay, you just select for category, photography, sports, and more option. I'm just select on and select your favorite. Click on to continue. Okay, now successfully download and install. You can easily create your account or login. So that's it.